Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nadhani leo tutaendelea na kufanya hiyo paper, bado hiyo paper 2, BSJE Mock Paper 2, my contact number and click on the subscription below. So question yenyewe ni kuhusu probability. So let's start reading the question. What does the question say? It says the probability that Zora goes to school by boda boda is 2/5. And by matatu is a quarter. So full stop, if she uses a boda boda, the probability that she will be late is 2/5. And 3/10 if she uses a matatu, full stop. If she uses other means of transport, the probability of being late is 3/20. Mpaka hapa tumeelewana. So umeulizwa draw a tree diagram. Draw a tree diagram to represent this information, in which swali lenyewe ni 3 marks. But ingekuwa mimi ingekuwa 2 marks, but I don't understand the concept kwa nini watu wapewa 3 marks from just drawing a tree diagram. But since umepewa 3 marks ni rahisi kuzipata. So what you are drawing a tree diagram, usichore tree yenyewe, but the tree diagram is drawn like this. So there are 3 probabilities hapa. So there are 3 probabilities. Probability ya kwanza, sawa, kuna probability ya kwenda school na boda boda. So there's a probability of going to school by boda boda. There's a probability that you can go to school by a matatu. And as you read the question, ukiona hapa, if she uses other means of transport, it means that there's also a probability of using other means of transport. So this is a boda boda, this is a matatu, and this is other means of transport. So the probability that Zora, I don't know if she's a girl or a boy, but the probability of him or her going to school is 2/5. So you write there 2/5. Andika hiyo 2/5. And by a matatu is a quarter. So sijiulize sijui the probability of going a boda boda, the probability of not going a boda boda. No. The probability of going a boda boda ni 2/5. Of not going to by a boda boda ni either umeenda na matatu ama other means of transport. So ukienda na boda boda ni 2/5 na matatu ni a quarter. Sio? So ile other means of transport itakuwa ni ngapi? So utachukua ile 1 minus 2/5 plus a quarter. Mpaka hapa tumeelewana. So ukichukua 2/5 plus a quarter itakupa 1 minus 13/20. So yamaanisha ile other means of transport probability yake ni ngapi? 17 out of 20. So hapo uandike 17 out of 20. Yes, not 17 out of 20 but 7, sorry. 7 out of 20. So 7 out of 20. Sasa swali ukiendelea kusoma umeambiwa if she uses a boda boda the probability that she will be late is 2/5. Okay, so gawanya tena. So kuna late and there's a probability of her not being late. Ikiwa amechelewa ni 2 out of 5. Sawa. Ikiwa hajachelewa basi ni 1 minus 2/5, ama ukitaka waweza andika 5/5 minus 2/5 itakuwa ni 3/5. Tuelewane. The probability of being late if she uses a boda boda ni 2 out of 5. But if she is not late, if the probability if she uses a boda boda and not being late is 3 out of 5. So 1 minus 2/5 ni 3 out of 5. Probability of her using a matatu and she will be late is 3 out of 10. So if she will not be late, then it means it's 1 minus 3 out of 10, which should be 7 out of 10. Sawa, mpaka hapa. If she uses other means of transport, okay, the probability of being late is 3 out of 20. So of not being late is 1 minus 3 out of 20, or 20 out of 20 minus 3 out of 20, which should give you 17 out of 20. So tayari the 3 marks umepata hivyo. So Tumeelewana mpaka hapa. 2 out of 5 akitumia bodaboda. Hii ni L prime yamaanisha not being late. So sikuchanganya. Ukiona L prime it represents or her of not being late. So let's start the question. The question says find the probability that she will be late for school. So before starting the question, know the number of outcomes. So how many outcomes do you have? Kuna moja BL. BL yamaanisha atatumia bodaboda lakini atachelewa. BL prime atatumia bodaboda lakini hatochelewa. ML atatumia matatu atachelewa. ML prime atatumia what? Matatu lakini hachelewi. OL other means of transport and she will be late. OL prime other means of transport and she will not be late. So there are how many outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 outcomes from this 3 means of transport. So the question says find the probability that she will be late for school. So the probability that she will be late for school, it includes her using a bodaboda or using a matatu or other means of transport because the question isn't specific enough. So it just says atachelewa, but you don't know which means of transport she used. So there's a probability that she can use a bodaboda na achelewe, okay? Or probability that she might use a matatu and still be late, or there's a probability that she might use other means of transport and be late. So let's say if she uses bodaboda and late and be late, so it'd be 2/5 times 2/5. Okay, 2/5 times 2/5. So you write 2/5 times 2/5. So here ni bodaboda and being late, and she will be late. So times yarepresentiwa na ile and, or ni addition. So ukiona or addition. Matatu and be late ni a quarter times 3/10. Or tena plus other means of transport 7 out of 20 and be late times 3 out of 20. So 7 out of 20 times 3 out of 20. So mpaka hapa tumeelewa. So ukipata answer yako hapa. So ya kwanza 2/5 times 2/5 ni 4 out of 25. A quarter times 3 out of 10, it should give you 3 out of 40. Plus 7 times 3 in 21 over 20 times 20, 400. Ukiadd hizi tatu, ukichukua calculator yako, itakupa something 115 out of 400. Yani ukifanya wewe peke yako through simplification, but ukichukua calculator it should give you the simplified version which is 23 out of 80. So 2 marks tayari ushapata. Twende kwa swali la tatu. Find the probability that she will be late for school if she does not use a matatu. So she will be late, but she doesn't use a matatu. So it either means that ima ametumia bodaboda akachelewa, or ametumia other means of transport na akachelewa. So ina hapo nadhani tayari tulipata, kwa sababu hapa tuliandika BL na OL. So BL tuliandika 2 out of 5 times 2 out of 5 plus sawa, OL 7 out of 20 times 3 out of 20. So in which answer hapo tushasema tulikuwa 4 out of 25 plus hiyo 21 out of 400. So ukichukua 4 out of 25 plus 21 out of 400 itakupa 17 out of 80. Waweza confirm na calculator yako pia ukitaka. So nikiconfirm na calculator yangu ni hiyo, yani unachukua 4 divided by 25 plus 21 divided by 400 itanipa hiyo 17 out of 80. So another 3 marks za bure. So tukiendelea na swali, find the probability that she will be this question should say she will not be late. Sorry, question yenyewe hapa hiyo she will not be late. So she will not be late. see that she will be late. She will not be late. She will not be late. So nitaandika hapa. Sawa. So find the probability that she will not be late for school. So the probability that she will not be late for school, there are two ways of calculating it. Ya kwanza, which is easy. So either you take 1 minus the probability that she will be late on all means of transport, either bodaboda or matatu or other means of transport. So aweza andika 1 minus BL or ile ML matatu or other means of transport. Okay, so itakupa 1 minus ile answer tuliyopata juu, ile BL ML hizo nini, itakupa 23 out of 80. So 1 minus 23 out of 80 should give you somewhere 10 minus 3, 7, 6 minus 7 is 50. If I'm correct, it should give you somewhere 57 out of 80. 57 out of 80. Ama ukitumia another method, lakini ni ndefu, but waweza pia tumia the other method, which is waweza chukua ya BL prime or ML prime or ile OL prime. So which is this one, ni BL prime 2 over 5 times 3 over 5. Okay, 2 over 5 times 3 out of 5 plus ML prime a quarter times 7 over 10, a quarter times 7 over 10. Na OL prime ni 7 over 20 times 17 out of 20. So 7 out over 20 times 17 over 20. So in which itakupa the same answer hata ukifanya nini. The same answer hii itakupa 6 out of 25. Hii nyingine itakupa 119, 7 out of 40. Na hii nyingine itakupa 119 out of 400, which is the same answer ya hiyo nyingine 57 out of 8. So you can use any of these ones. So till next time, mpaka hapo, and nataka kuwashajiisha ni musubscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So till next lesson, inshallah, another question, another topic, but the same paper. So هذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.